How to add new font in MS Word. Welcome to Softechia. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how can we add new font in MS Word easily. So watch this video till end. First of all, open any browser. Here I have opened Chrome browser. Then search those font name those you want to download. Here I'm going to search Laura font, which is now trending for multiple uses. Now we can see here multiple websites are providing these fonts, but we have to open Google font and click on get in left side. Now click on download all here left side. Now it has downloaded and click on it. Now here it is in a zip file, so we will have to extract it here. So look at above section and click on extract all. Now click on first file and here it will open a new pop-up page in which it will show the different size of fonts, but we have to click on install, which will appear above here. Then it will install in your system successfully. Now open MS Word and paste some content here. I'm going to copy some content and pasting here in MS Word from ChatGPT. Now select that content on which you want to apply font and see here in font box and search your font and click on it in drop down list and click OK. Now font applied successfully. That's all. If you got this video